Kabi North Taj District Child Protection Officer na Chikkabalapur jang Jilla Karnataka kabalawan poi hanong ba Shillong ban IT Biang ki Ïathuh sangwat ki Khynnah kinthei shaka Jilla ling ba katanat social welfare kalapin tip ba kala dep ban ujor de Ïathuh persha ya ka Samya Kisanu Police Student Home kabadan hakate ki Jilla habapin tip ya ni shikilat pathai ku board haka arterik uno pra arja arpusan Kabi North Taj kalaong Baka pediang ya kejing ujor nagi beriau kata ke jela kula pentep bagi Khynnah kim syam na ngauto ya kurukam hikai nama la hikai ya ki haka ketian Kanada kala pentep ru baka bam ka bagi yo kadai ka bla shet tang shi sien san sngi bat ka long ka bam khoi bam suba bat na lor kata ka umru ki habandi da ka banawa na lor kata ka la ongru bagi Khynnah kim la ban Bret Jingbam bat la da ki Bret kin hab ban tam biang na jaka Bret nyut bat ban ba mi ki.
We got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098 by the local aids people saying that the children were not able to understand the language. They were being admitted to the government school which teaches Kannada language of all the subjects and they were not able to adjust with the food. They used to cook once in 5 days. Okay, that was being served for the children and there was no proper hygiene also. The water they had to get from the river and they have to drink it. Okay, they should not waste the food. If the food is thrown in the dustbin, they have to eat from the dustbin. Like this much severe condition was then going on. Even if they don't eat, they used to beat them. So we have filed an FIR on the warden and also the institution and also on the person who took the children from here to there on the leave of providing the best education for them and betraying the trust of the parents.
What is the name of the organization?
There in Bagipalli, it is the name of Aim for Seva Trust. Aim for Seva Trust. So this Lingsa Society has transferred these kids for the Aim for Seva Trust of Bagipalli, Chikkabalapur.
How did you first notice?
Sir, I got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098.
Who complained?
So we cannot disclose that. They were Karnataka children,
Okay.
but not the other state. So these children mainly the problem was with their food and with their language, and also by the language differences they used to like ragging types they used to do other children. This was the thing happening.
Okay. No, brutally beaten. No. Okay. And they're mainly all female.
Yes, all females.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya